Mame Nase, Emma Kwaba, Emra Adom TV, Adom Nkuranhyensem so. Humans would not have created anything of value. Humans, Enipa, would not have created anything of value unless they were tested or faced with difficulties and problems. What you see, what you mean, a sombo, a kusimra, but imagine or how I know a son. So we shall crash be our Bible, my friend Joseph. Ujina how I know, Soshano, a Gina no, a pedan who free mu a swano, and actually in a bayo mama. Every successful person, every great person in life can only be assessed by the crisis and setbacks he has endured and dealt with. Obi odin kunim bia, obi aye bia, a free empa. Eja kwesi chumu a ode Adom na Joy baye ni ode MTN kura baye de ode Ghana Broadcasting baye ejumeku ahodo banks ahodo ahwe nyina woni a fat mu po hihye ma ne baye no enye tot enye sorry amaye na ehwe eye emre eye ntobase eye suehunu empo eye ahwase de so de eye amnamu eye efimu asaye die no adwaro. And we shall Brabwasia. Can say everyone who has become great has faced their own difficulties. They've dealt with their moments of anxiety. They've actually dealt with self-doubt. Obi oye biano. Can say Oshia manihunu. Edu baby no ha. One tremu. Ebu as anjidi meye. Every single person who has arrived at the point of greatness, or every single person who has achieved greatness, has faced their own difficulties. They have faced their own moments of anxiety. They've come to the moment of self-doubt. They have dealt with uncertainty and pain. Obi oye ye bia, obi odin kunim bia, owo mre bia ogina ohawa no. O mre bia oye ha enso wantremu. Owo mre bia na adwe ne se mintimi ye enso oyoye. Owo mre bia odi wo yaw. They even got to moments where no one believed in what they were going to do, and they got to their lowest moments in life. The difference between those who have made it and those who have failed are many, but let me mention a few. Those who have succeeded refuse to quit. They found a way out of their crisis, whilst others sat back complaining, worrying, crying, blaming others. One year din kunim no, wape akwenye bi efri ohamu, epe ensemanu ye. Womra wonfefo ete baabi a wotwa asu na wotre won sa kire we na yeye we na manye yie na wope ensema no yie na mpo wo fifi nsem mu na wotwe ense obi bebo awom ti abrabo nye se obetwe ense obi bebo obi bu ne bra enti woni a eya wo bosobo woni eya wo han woni eya wo de da bia na wo complainant na ena we koyie obedi nkugu akosi mra sabe obi frasa se so ene wo woni a wodi nkunim. Why dear o shower how pet how no adro a sorry free moon. The successful person refused to let their circumstances define their destiny. 1 year din kunimno. 1 year ma what trabiamu anchire wa bobia any empo krabiase. They refuse to allow their circumstances to define their destiny. Maybe a na we yani. Maybe a na nibi. Maybe a no nyajuma. It shouldn't define your future. The say Kenya war na kacha was a mere yen in some ordini. Minyajuma, some ajuma. That's our traffic. Medi here, a year, Abrabona, Abrabo, a shall say, the Yawoman so. See, Anna Conwa, Uyasha said, a boy, and it is so said to a yene. Now, 1 year, Jen Shomu, it me do the panel, which tried our papa. 1 year, a dear Yaso, a pam one of food. A share no, when you say a duaso idea. Emre homo bia, ne emre papa, near me bonny in our bois and my brabo coye. It one year didn't kunim no, wo nyina brabo mu emfo na brabo enhyehyɛ won daache sɛ de enko yie saa na bɛkɔ no ne mo pɛ akade ya brabo yie. Those who have succeeded have only one goal, to change the course of their history. When they set out to change history. Me see so na me abrante kete. Se me fie na bi ni ho. Na me sinkete ka se me de sefata na magidini e wa mansan asum ene wona koma so. Esa no nti no baby akade afi ba me nimpo. Na sabe me ntitwi kasa na me yankrani bo na me ncho gaji mi. Ni nka ni twon na fon he na aka ma fe no ncho dro mi me na me wie twi kai wale. Enti me ka me timu saa no ene metime ka twi. Usa kuduro e kasa wo sesa wo hyebre a kwambi aso no metime asesa. Me bom pa se wo hyebre be sesa wo dwuma ma ware mu usika sam nyina wo hyebre e be yie ama. Ka kire wo se ne da koi me hyebre e koso ayeye ama me. Akade nyansa nsusu na muntu a mehia biara no mepe ma me hyebre asesa. Aha na meja wo ma me mfa na ase ma wo se onya mre hwe me na me mfa na ase ma Adom TV adwumakuofo nyinara na me nkyerɛ wo se badwam adwumadi no ekosora aha na mekra wo woni onyame entina.